need a selfie stick.
I do, don't.
So, which one travel abroad? Oh my God. I need to take off my glasses so the people can see my pretty eye.
Good morning. This is another episode of Jamaica Smiles. I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, as you all know, and I am here with the organizer of the Nights of the Stars benefit concert. Right? Where am I? I'm in Mandela Park in Halfway Tree. So if you hear the truck horns, if you hear the popping and the ligani, yeah man, we're close
and
to
the back road.
And the what?
And the back road. People out there calling back road.
And the back road. People calling back road? Alright, yeah, if you hear noise, yeah, we're in the heart of Halfway Tree, right near to the clock.
Yes.
Hi, Angie's from Niagara Falls. Alright, so I am here, as I told you, with the organizer of the Night of the Stars benefit concert. Her name is Lamoy McLean.
Hi guys, how are you today?
And we're going to spend some time talking about the Night of the Stars benefit concert. Alright, firstly tell me, why did you decide to embark on this event?
Oh, Night of the Stars. Just talking about it makes me know that I'm a star. Not think that I'm a star, but
yes,
know that I'm a star. So basically we embarked on this journey because of what we could get out of it. You know, what the charity that we're doing, we're trying to raise funds, and just the whole cause of the event is why we are on this journey.
So the cause of the event, you intend to reconstruct or build a perimeter fence for the Rockall Basic School. Where's the Rockall Basic School?
Well, persons out there asking me the same question. Where's Rockall Basic School and why Rockall Basic School? So Rockall Basic School is in the Red Hills area. Red Hills. I haven't gotten the right address on hand right now, but
yeah,
if you Google out there, you can find the Rockall Basic School, and it's an early childhood institution for minors, for babies.
So what exactly are you doing in terms of helping that school now?
Alright, so I am an active member of the JCI, which is Junior Chamber International St. Andrew chapter, and with their help we planned on building a fence for the children. Basically, safety is the best for everyone, even and for our children. So we want to do this project where we can raise some funds to build the fence for the children's safety.
So is it that they're not there's no fence right now, like the school is just left in the open?
No, it's not left in the open. We have a chain link fence there, and it has been there for over the couple of years, and this is the reason why we want to change it. A chain link fence, anything can happen. A child can, wander away. It's protective enough, but we want them behind the wall so that anything, even shots, can be fired in the area, and over a chain link fence, anything can happen to any one of our children.
Has that ever happened? Was there any security scare, any incident?
No, not that I know of. Any incident, it's more likely prone to be from the parents, and we want to even avoid that as well. Parents don't have to be on the school compound if they don't have to be. So no threat that we've heard about or that I've personally known about.
Yeah.
But
you want to prevent
safety.
Exactly. So precaution.
Yes.
Somebody once told me that preparation is better than prevention. Well, how you go? Prevention is better than cure. All right.
Yes,
so I just want to read, just to big up the people who already joined the live. We have Virginia Ross from Vera Beach. Hi, Karen Watson, Kendrick Amar from, I believe, is that Toronto? Didn't know the park still exists. Yes. Before I go back over to Lamoy, so this is the Mandela Park. Let me see if I can just show you that pretty quick. This is actually an amphitheater in the Mandela Park, a huge park right here in Halfway Tree. You can come, and I'm not so sure if you can have your lunch, but guess what? There's free Wi-Fi right here.
Yes.
You can get free Wi-Fi here, courtesy of the Ministry of Science and Technology. So you really need to visit Mandela Park the next time you're in Kingston, Jamaica. And I'm here, as I was telling you, with the organizer of the Nights Night of the Stars benefit concert, and the benefit is the Rock Hall Basic School that's located in Red Hills, in the Red Hills community. So they're trying to raise funds to build a perimeter fence. So today we're actually going to see if we can sell some tickets live right here on Jamaicans.com Facebook page. So Karen Watson said, oh my god, this is beautiful. When I come to Jamaica, I'm coming to see the park. It is really, really beautiful. It is just one of the many places in Jamaica that are really, really breathtaking. Alright, so Karen, Kendrick, who else is here? Georgina, if you're just joining the live, I'm here with Lamoy McLean, the organizer of the Nights of the Stars
benefit concert.
And she has some tickets. So the tickets, they are very, very, very cheap. I want you to work it out fast on your phone.
800.
So 800 in US. In US, how much would that be? $8. So we want some commitments right now. Jamaicans.com people, I know you love me, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and I know you're going to support many all the initiatives, especially charity initiatives that I endorse. So this is a charity initiative that I'm endorsing. It's called Night of the Stars Benefit Concert, and we're selling tickets. So if you want to purchase your tickets, even if you can't attend, and you want to support the Rock Hall Basic School, just comment below and tell me that yes, I will buy a ticket. That's all you need to write. Yes, I will buy a ticket. Alright, so Veronica, oh, and Ardio is here. Alright, but so as to tune into Ardio. Alright, Veronica says an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. Right on, Veronica. Sharita Francis, the saying prevention is better than cure. Thank you guys, thank you for the correction. Alright, back over to Lamoy. Lamoy, tell me now, do you know how many students are currently registered at or attend the Rock Hall Basic School?
Let's say about 200.
200 students. So what is the school saying about this concert? You know, the fact that you decided to put on a concert to raise funds for their fence.
Well, we have been in contact with a member of the school board, Dwayne Gale, who is also the active national president of the JCI Jamaica.
Yes.
For all of those who don't know about JCI, JCI is actually a non-profitable organization in Jamaica where we create young active citizens of Jamaica. So this is why I am the person that I am today. So I'm giving praises to JCI who taught me how to do the projects. But so we have been in contact with Dwayne Gale, and he has told us that in regards to the benefit and giving back to the persons, they need the help, and we can get it. This is one of the way. And they have also said that they're doing other projects, or they be taking initiative to do other projects, other fundraisers to help with the school, because the school is not as a school should really be. In terms of the physical structure? In terms of the physical structure. What is needed? Paints. Yeah. So you need books, to paint it. Because we always have a book drive with JCI, and we have a health fair JCI as well. Yeah. So through these events, we actually offer these services to the people, to the children, and this is how we've been doing it for years. And I don't know if you mentioned it, but JCI is actually the parent or the owner of Rock Hall Basic School. Alright, so guys, how do you purchase tickets? How do we purchase tickets, Lamoy? For all of those who are in America, you can call me on 876-269-3159. And if you're... Say that number again. 876, yes, 269-3159, and don't leave out the one at the beginning of the 8th year. So 1-876-269-3159, right? Andrea, are you going to purchase a ticket? If you're going to purchase a ticket, the cost is 800 Jamaican dollars. In US, it's $8. $8 to save, to protect the children at of Rock Hall Basic School. Just type right
Okay, so we have Karen say, yes, I will buy a ticket.
Yeah.
Come on, we want some more people to say, yes, I will purchase a ticket, or yes, I will buy a ticket. $800 for a ticket, or $8 US. $800 Jamaican, or $8 US. You can go ahead also and share this live. Go ahead and share it on your timeline. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, so that they support the Rockall Basic School. It's a basic school, early childhood institution, you know, and it's so important for us to ensure that they have maximum security there. So one of the entertainers who will be performing at the Night of the Stars benefit concert is Ardio. So I featured him once on Jamaicans.com and LiveWellJA.com, but he's here now to tell us why he decided to, you know, be a part of this initiative, and probably drop our little one line for, right?
Right.
All right. Hi, Ardio. I don't mind if you mind if him come. Yeah. Can you please repeat the number again so I can make sure that's right? Okay. So the number is 876-269 3159. Right. So Karen, everybody else who wants to participate, call Lamoy McLean to purchase something. You can't even purchase 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Hi, Ardio. How are you?
Hello. I have someone born and grow from a little bit. Aki and saltfish that a fi me dish. You can check out me and greatness, man. Give thanks.
All right, Ardio. Okay, so Ardio, why did you decide to be a part of this initiative?
Anything for the kids. Education is the key. So Rockall, basic school. You know, the younger ones them coming up. So we have to make sure we lead them the right way and make sure everything is alright in place for the kids them, you know what I mean? So we have to do it, and we have to give them the strength, see me, you know what I mean? So a benefit concert, I want everybody to come out and show the love to the kids, man, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
See me.
So the songs that you're singing now, will it be the same Jamaica?
Same one. That's
which
same
other song you
Even though you're far away, far away. So no matter which part you're in the world, just try and make sure you come this Saturday, you know what I mean? And come watch or send your support. Send your love.
Where is it being held? Where is this Night of the Stars benefit concert being held? So it's 1A Hillview Avenue.
Yeah, right.
And that's really close to Mandela Park. It's off Eastwood Park Road in Halfway Tree. So it's 1A Hillview Avenue, off Eastwood Park Road. I think the place is called Kingston 10 Sports Bar and Grill, right? Okay, so Ardio, back to you again.
Yeah, man,
just quickly, tell me one thing about your career now that you're enjoying.
Well, I'm enjoying that, I'm getting there, what I'm supposed to, you know, what I'm looking out for. I'm getting there right now, so I'm just enjoying doing it, because, you know, the benefit concert, I'm doing the first show there. Also I have a next
first show for 2018?
Well, 2 shows on the same day.
What?
You know what I mean? So Temple Hall will see me early on in the day.
Yes.
So be there at Temple Hall at 5 p.m. You will see Ardio live again. So
and then to the benefit
and then
concert. Night
of the Star benefit concert, you know what I mean? So just come on out, man, a whole heap of fun, man, a whole heap of love, a whole heap of greatness, you know what I mean? So
alright, so I'm sure they want to hear your lovely voice again, so you can give us a little
alright, one more to the voice?
Yes.
Wake up with nothing this morning, but my pot a bubble this afternoon. Wake up with nothing this morning, give Jaja thanks cause it's coming soon. Boo boo boo. Wake up with nothing this morning, me no beg nobody, me just go and keep my cool, boy. Make sure you come tune in. Benefit concert, Rockall School, you know what I mean? So representing Ardio.
And it's this Saturday,
yes,
February 24, starting what time, Lamoy? So it's starting at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Until 2 a.m. in the morning. All right, Lamoy, we're not finished with you, man. So we want you to give more details as it relates to the tickets. So for people in Jamaica, where can they get tickets?
All right, so if you're in the Halfway Tree area, and let me give you the direction very clearly, because Jamaicans people tend to don't know direction. So do you know the Twin Gates Plaza? It's right across the road from Twin Gates Plaza. And if you're coming from the intersection right there at the Mullines Road and coming on Eastwood Park Road past the Transport Center on the left, right after you pass Daremore Road. So Daremore Road would be like the first left turn, and then Hillview Avenue is the second left turn.
Okay.
Right in front of Springs Plaza.
So you're coming up Eastwood Park Road like you're on your way to the
Halfway Tree Primary School.
To the Halfway Tree Primary School. It's your second left turn. So you have Daremore Road, then right?
Hillview Avenue.
And then you have Hillview
Avenue.
Hillview Avenue, and it's 1A Hillview Avenue. That's where you can get tickets?
Yes, you can get tickets there, and you can also call me on my number, and we can arrange how you can pick up your tickets.
You want to repeat the number?
876, for those who don't live in Jamaica, it's 876-269-3159.
And the event is this Saturday, this Saturday, the 24th of this month at 7 p.m. right? The cost of the ticket is $800. If you're going to purchase a ticket
at the gate,
it's $1,000. But we want you to purchase a ticket right now. If you're going to purchase a ticket, just comment and tell us, I will buy a ticket. This initiative is in aid of the Rockall Basic School, who is in dire need, that is in dire need of a perimeter fence. So right around the school, they want to protect the children of a maximum security. All right, Ardia, you want to say something before?
Yes, man.
All right.
And for bookings for Ardia, you can call me at 884-4081.
Yeah,
or you follow me
876.
On 876. Sorry, my bad. 884-4081. And follow me on IG, Ardia Smith, or Ardia Music on Facebook. Yeah? Give thanks. Greatness, man. Make sure you come out, you know.
Yes.
I'm looking out for you all, you know what I mean? Give thanks.
Yeah. Lamoy, where can we find Nights of the Stars on social media?
That's what I wanted to mention a while ago. So, on the night of the event, we'll want people to be tweeting #Night of the Stars, and you can just go on Facebook and find Night of the Stars, or you can follow my event page, IWE Weddings and Events, and you'll get the link to see where you can find Night of the Stars. Just like the page, share the page. If you're coming, press invite, press go in. If you're interested, just say interested. If you want to buy a ticket, just buy a ticket. If you just want to make a donation to the foundation. And before I go, also, I want to big up the sponsors. I'm really
Alright.
So I want to big up Wow Moments, yeah, Miss Juanita Tarrant, and I want to big up Kingston 10 Sports Bar and Grill. So, and who we leaving out? We want to big up JCI. Oh, we forgot to big up JCI. JCI is the top person. So, and also we want to name a few of the artists that are not on the flyer. So just in case you go on the poster and say, oh, we're not seeing any big artists.
Big
Remember,
artists on it, man.
all our artists, them are big artists.
Yes.
All of them are
So
stars.
who are they?
Right now, we have a lineup. We have a big lineup. So we want
big lineup.
We want to mention a couple of the artists them. So we have Audio, who is here live and direct. We have Fire Frenzy, Just Certain. We have Rebel Ayana from Magnum Kings and Queens. We have Legion I. Yeah, Renegade. We have Young Garvey, trading in the business, Trench Town Man, Manga Shop, and the big bad artists them like Loyal Flames, Rebel Ayana, come already. Where you want to come with? Loyal Flames, Mighty Diamonds, and we see Anthony Cruz, who started the launch with us for this initiative.
Yes, excellent. Alright, I want to show them pretty quick audio. So this is how we end Jamaica Smiles, another episode of Jamaica Smiles. Remember, if you want to support this initiative, just comment below. I will buy a ticket. If you want to come, it's 1A Hillview Avenue this Saturday, right? Starting at 7 p.m. Alright, I'm going to show you the flyer. So here it is. It's the flyer, Night of the Stars, benefit concert. Here's the information, right? Here are the artists who are performing. See them here? Alright. I look forward to your support, guys. Really appreciate you tuning into my live. Okay. Hold on, let me go back to Lamoy.
Yes.
Yes?
And we know that there are a lot of people out there on Jamaicans.com, and we don't want you to just listen to this program and just say, oh, it's just another program. this is a really, really, really worthy cause. Please, may I beg on Jamaican and foreign people support the thing.
Yes, man,
Yeah,
come on
foreign
out, you know?
people.
Come on out, man. And I want to say much respect to Ashleigh, same way, you know what I mean? Give
Yeah,
thanks,
man.
same
Yeah,
way.
man.
Greatness,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Blessings.
Oh, we come on a big up Ashleigh-Ann. All right, bye, peeps.
All right, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. And remember, this has been another episode of Jamaica Smiles with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. Take care.